So first we have discussed it tense wise, like I had told you earlier in active passive voice. If I have to write like he wrote a letter, so who is going to tell me what is object here? Hurry up. He wrote a letter. What is object?
A
Uh,
letter.
yes, response will be considered in verbal form only. Don't write your answers. You have to speak. As Arupam has told, a letter is object, wrote is verb, and he is subject. So, what will be the passive voice? Ishita, just quickly tell me.
The letter was written by him.
Him, very good. So a letter will be in the beginning. After that, as it is second tense, past tense, we have to use helping verb was, and then third form we have to apply write, wrote, written. A letter was written. After third form, we have to apply by, and he will change into him. So tense wise, we have to solve active passive voice like this. And after that, some interrogation from the tenses like helping verbs, as the example is, do you like him? Interrogation passive voice. So how we have to solve it? We will solve it like him will be changed into Krisha will tell me.
Yes, sir.
Him will change into
He.
he. Very good. Him will change into he. But what we have to see, that is interrogative. Okay. So we have to check helping verb is am are in the present tense. So we will begin it from is. Is he, then third form. Third form is liked. After third form, we have to apply by and you in the same form. And interrogation. In active passive voice, we have to apply question mark also. And in narration, we have to avoid it. So these are the interrogative active passive voice. Now one more example let me give you. For example, if I have to frame from did you did you punish her? So let me check who is going to make the answer. Who is going to try? Vishal will going to try. Vishal, tell me the answer.
Was
Was
she
was she
punished
punished
by you?
by you? Very good answer. So as Vishal has told here, what we have to do, did is written here. So did means past tense. We have to mention was first and her change into she. Was she? After that we have to apply third form punished, and after third form we have to use by and you will change into you. So this is the passive voice of the same question. Now let us discuss the second category. Second category is of WH family. Okay, WH family interrogative categories. If the question begins from who, it will be changed into by whom. And if it begins from what, which, when, why, how, so these things will not be changed. ये तो ऐसे ही हम उतार देंगे. But if it begins from who, then we have to use by whom. Okay. For example, let me tell you one example here. Who is who is knocking at the door? Okay. So who will change into by whom? After that, before applying the object, we have to use helping verb. By whom is, as it is present tense. By whom is, after that object. By whom is the door. Ing will change into being. By whom is the door being. Third form of knock. Knocked. Knocked. And the remaining thing is at. Okay, so this is the passive voice. By whom is the door being knocked at? Is it clear to all of you? By whom is the door being knocked at? Okay, now let's move to One more example. Example is here. Why did you why did you hate me? All of you have to make the passive voice of this question in form of chat. All of you have to respond. Type your answers. Hurry up. I will check. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Tap your answers. The sentence is, why did you hate me? Try to write the answers in the chats. I will check how many of you are able to answer. Do it fast. Have a try. Okay, one student, Rupam, has answered still. Khushvinder has answered. Ishita has answered. Pradeep has answered. Okay, nice. Hemant has answered. Jashandeep also has answered. Manav also answered. Riyaz, Manpravesh, Dipanshu, Gurkirat, Keshav. Try to answer as quick as possible, okay? Otherwise, it will be considered as you have just copied and pasted. So try to write your answers fast. See, what we have to do first, why as it is. After that, what we have to do, helping verb we have to write. Why was. After that, me change into I. Why was I? After the third form is hated. And after third form, by, and you change into you. Okay, as in the previous sentence you have seen, by whom, we do not have to use by later in the sentence. By only in the beginning we have used already. Okay, so we will not use it twice, but here we have used why, so we have to use by also. So this is the difference. Now I think all of you have understood it, how we have to solve it. Now let's move to the next category. The next category is of imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentence is of three kinds. One is order, the second one is request, and the third one is advice. Okay, so these sentences can also be asked in active passive voice. For example, if I am going to write here, ओपन दी डोर, अब आपने वर्बल रिस्पॉन्स देना है. ठीक है, मैं किसी से भी पूछ सकता हूं कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इट इज. ये मुझे बताएगा दीपांशु. दीपांशु मुझे बताओ, ओपन द डोर जो है वो इन तीनों में से किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है. दीपांशु बी फास्ट. Students who will not respond, I will kick them out from the class. Sazavar, you just let me know. हाँ बोलो. ओपन द डोर, ये कौन से टाइप का सेंटेंस है.
Order.
हाँ, good. As Sajawar has answered, it is the order kind of sentence. Passive voice, no doubt, we will make here. Have patience. So ये है open the door. Okay. So इसको हम दो तरह से फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. कैसे भी कर सकते हैं. You are ordered. You're ordered. You're ordered to open the door. Okay, you're ordered to open the door. And second, we can make it from let also. Let the door be opened. In this also, we can change this sentence from active to passive. So this is the order kind of sentence. In the same manner, sentence can be of second category. Avoid bad company. Gurasis will make the answer. Gurasis, what will be the answer? You can speak even. Yes, Gurasis, have a try.
The bad company be avoided by you.
Okay. As in the sentence, previous sentence, I have told you in the imperative sentences, what we have to do, we can make it in the two formats from you also, like you are advised. This is advice, na? You are advised. You are advised to, the same thing is there about bad company. And if you have to make it from let, so what it can be? Let the bad company, or let bad company should be or must be avoided. Okay, so in this manner we can frame the passive voice also, or we can answer nicely. So all of you have to try to answer. Now let us move for one more category. Categories of it is time. It is time to attend our class. It is time to attend our class. How we have to change this sentence into passive voice? What we have to do? While framing the answer, we have to write it is time as it is. It is time. First ऐसे लिखेंगे हम it is time. फिर from formula we have to use for. It is time for from the formula. After that object है our class. It is time for our class. After that what we have to do? We have to use from formula to be. Okay. Then third form is attended. So what is the answer? It is time for our class to be attended. So now let me give you one sentence. You will have to frame the answer. Sentence is it is time to enjoy a picnic. सभी ने आंसर लिखना है. सभी बच्चे आंसर लिख के दिखाएंगे मुझे इसका. देखता हूं सबसे पहले आंसर किसके आते हैं. It is time to enjoy a picnic. All of you students must listen. Your class is being recorded and your attendance will be taken. Don't leave the classes in between and you have to attend it thoroughly. Okay, many students have answered like Manav, Gurasi, Sishita, Khushvinder, Gurkirat, Riaz, Pradeep. I will check whose answers are right. Yes. Try to answer as quick as possible. As many student has answered now, it is time as it is. From formula for, object is a picnic. It is time for a picnic. From formula to be, and the third form is enjoyed. Okay, third form is enjoyed. So in this manner into the answer. Now one more category. Dear students, active passive voice all of you have done already in your 9th and 10th classes. We are just repeating it. One more category. One category is like Rose smells nice. Rose smells nice. So how we can frame the passive voice of it? Like Rose is nice when, smells third form is smelt. When smelt. In this manner we can frame the answer. Let me give you one example. You have to solve it. Honey tastes sweet. Make passive voice. Honey. Write down the answer in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Good, very good. Many students are answering, but try to answer as fast as possible. Yes. मैंने पहले भी बोला कि जो बच्चा वर्बली रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देगा ना, उसको मैंने क्लास से किक कर देना है, उसकी चैट को भी रीड नहीं करना मैंने। एंड ये आपने कैमराज ऑफ क्यों रखे हुए हैं? कैमराज ऑन करो फटाफट, स्विच ऑन योर कैमराज फर्स्ट। मगर मैं आपको सारे पीरियड में यही बोलता रहूंगा कैमराज ऑन करो, तो फिर आप पढ़ोगे कब? अभी एक बच्चे को ही सुना है। वेयर आर द रेस्ट? आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू नेम वन बाय वन। त्रिशा, ईशिता, गुरकीरत, तरुण, परविंदर, विशाल, प्रदीप, अरूपम, प्रमोद, हेमंत, मान प्रवेश, गुरसीस, सजावर, खुशविंदर। I can't even understand why you are hiding yourself. Are you doing any mischievous things at home? आप कुछ गलत काम कर रहे हैं? You are studying. You're studying in the online classes. I'm going to kick one by one. I'm going to kick one by one. Who is not switching their cam on? I'm just counting 1, 2, 3. After that, I will kick you. It is compulsory to switch your cam on. Why you are feeling shy or hesitation? I don't even understand. The teacher is same. All of you are the same. The class is same. Nothing is new. I can't even understand. Huh? Do it fast. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Still some are deaf to instructions. I'm not going to teach you further otherwise. Till you will follow the instruction, I will not teach. ये गुरकीरत आपको नहीं सुना? रियाज, जल्दी करो फटाफट। जशनजीत, खुशविंदर, सजावर, जल्दी करो जल्दी। कैमरा जब बोलता हूं तब ऑन होता है, जब सर पढ़ा रहे होते हैं फटाफट ऑफ कर लेते हैं। मुझे तो ये नहीं समझ आता कि व्हाई दे आर फीलिंग शाय और हेजिटेशन। So, honey tastes sweet. Answer, many of you have responded. Honey is sweet when it will be when tasted. So this is the right answer. Okay, honey is sweet when tasted. देखिए, अगर आप बार बार अपने मोबाइल से खेलते रहेंगे ना, कभी ऑन कभी ऑफ, कभी ऑन कभी ऑफ, तो आप जो टीचर टीच कर रहा है ना, आप उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे पाओगे। तो कोशिश करें एक बार वीडियो कैम ऑन रख के अपना पढ़ाई पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें। अगर मोबाइल से ही खेलते रहेंगे फिर नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे आप लोग, फिर ये वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम ओनली, नथिंग एल्स। सो नाउ वन लास्ट कैटेगरी। एज यू नो, टुमारो इज द टेस्ट डेट। टेस्ट डेट है आपकी कल इंग्लिश की, तो मैंने एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस डालने हैं और लिमिटेड पीरियड में ही आपको ऑनलाइन ही टेस्ट देना है। फिर उसमें चीटिंग नहीं होगी और पता चल जाएगा कि कौन बच्चा चीटिंग कर रहा है, कौन बच्चा खुद आंसर कर रहा है। और ये लाइव टेस्ट भी हो सकता है, रिटर्न की बजाय मैं वर्बली एक एक बच्चे से पूछ के मार्क्स लगाऊंगा, साथ में नाम, साथ में उसके नंबर और साथ में 0। कहीं आप सोचे कि सर को तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा, हम चीटिंग से आंसर दे देंगे फटाफट। तो द नेक्स्ट इज कैटेगरी इज, लिसन केयरफुली, व्हेन 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर। फॉर एग्जांपल, he gave me an idea. Okay, here 2 objects are there. Let me ask खुशविंदर, you just let me, कौन कौन से 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे? जल्दी बताओ। खुशविंदर, my voice is audible or not? Khushvinder, I am asking from you and others are responding. Yeah. It's okay. I will kick some students who are not responding at all. Number 1 is Dipanshu. Second is Khushvinder. They will be kicked out from the class. To whom I am asking, they will have to respond only, no one else. Uday, you just tell me. Uday.
So idea.
Idea 1, object is idea. And what is the second one?
So me.
Okay. Jagdish, idea and idea से बनाओ पैसिव वॉइस। जगदीश, जगदीश वर्बली बताओ मुझे आंसर, जगदीश शर्मा। जगदीश हरी अप, do it fast, tell me the answer how it can be framed. Many students even have written down the answer. It's very shameful that some students are deaf to instructions. Manav, you just let me know.
An idea was given by him.
An idea was given, one thing is missing.
By him.
Then where is me? Given to me, given to me, given to me by him. Okay, now we will frame passive voice from me. अब हम me से बनाएंगे। me से मुझे बना के बताएगा कौन? तरुण, आप करो ट्राई। वर्बली, वर्बली बोलना है, माइक ऑन करो पहले। हाँ, फले
तो मी से बनाना
मी
सर।
मी से ऑब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करना है, करो करो। मी चेंज इनटू
आई।
आई, सबसे पहले आई। हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सी लगेगी?
वॉज।
was, I was,
गिवन।
I was given,
एन आइडिया
I was given an idea,
बाय
हाँ,
हिम। बाय हिम।
good. Very good. So now you can switch your mic off. See, I, me, I. After that, second form helping verb was, I was. Third form given an idea as it is. I was given an idea, and the subject was he. He changed into him. So, dear student, for today, I think it is enough as your time is going to be over. So today we have studied different categories of active and passive voices. Let me sum up. We have studied imperative, we have studied interrogative, we have studied journal sentences, and I hope all of you have prepared it nicely and listened it nicely. And you have to practice it today. Tomorrow, test can be in written format, it can be in objective format, it can be in subjective, or it can be asked orally one by one. Whosoever will answer, their marks will be marked in front of them, and your attendance record and your test record will be kept and will be in the record later also. So till then, stay safe and stay happy. Goodbye to all of you.